Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to recover your Fantasy Premier League account. So first, go ahead and open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device. Go to the sign-in page, and here you need to go ahead and click on Forgot Password option. Now enter the specific email address that is associated with your account and click on Submit. FPL will send you a recovery email with a recovery code which you need to enter right here in this box, and then you can enter the new password for your account and click on Submit. And your FPL account will be recovered. But in the case if you do not have your specific email account binded to your account, but you may have it saved in your browser or in the device that you're using, you might have saved the login credentials. For that, you'll automatically see the fill password option. You can go ahead and click on it and then go through a verification process, and you'll be instantly logged into your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.